So with the deadline for registration looming, a special event's been organised by the YMCA in Birmingham tonight to target young voters, and Bob Hockenhull is there right now. So what's happening, Bob?
Well, Nick, it's not just young people from the YMCA who'll be in the audience tonight, but also pupils from a couple of local schools. And they'll be asking questions to a panel of would-be politicians and local councils. They represent nearly all the political parties. Chairing that panel will be Alan Fraser from the YMCA. Alan, if I can ask you first of all, you're obviously around young people a lot in your job. What sort of issues do they want politicians to deal with?
Well, the things that young people have told us are a real concern to them is access to affordable housing that's stable and secure, and access to employment, just jobs which are well paid and are enough for them to live on. Those are really the key issues that seem to be coming through time and time again.
Now, we heard earlier that the younger people are the ones that are most apathetic when it comes to voting. Is that true in your experience?
I think this room's going to be full in half an hour's time, so I don't think young people are apathetic. I think one of the issues is that it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Programmes of government are often geared towards the elderly, which makes them more likely to vote. Young people disengage because they don't see their priorities represented in what governments are putting forward.
So what can politicians, or would-be politicians, do you think, to actually get more young people voting?
Well, I think what we're hoping to hear tonight from all parties is that they're going to put young people's needs at the heart of their programme and not just on the periphery as an afterthought, that young people will actually be seen as being important and as valued as other sectors of the community.
Alan Fraser, thank you very much, and we'll be giving you a flavour of what happens here in our later bulletin.
Bob, thank you. It's just after 7:15. This is our top story tonight.